Good morning, everybody. We got a 40-yard pump job to do here this morning. I'm the first load, so the pump guy is still getting set up. Getting all those hoses put together. They don't still have to prime the pump yet. And then away we go. Good times to be had. Nice cool morning to start with, but she's going to get warm a little later here. It's supposed to be in the 80s. Everybody's getting all prepped and ready. Just get my truck slumped down and ready. Got the guys getting ready on the job site over here. Get their power screen gassed up. Everybody's got their boots on or about to. And we'll let the chaos ensue here shortly. Oh yeah. Looks like he's almost ready for me to pull up. By the way, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video, leave a comment, share. It all helps. This may take a few, so I'll probably let y'all go here. Oh, he's just gonna spray all this stuff so the concrete don't stick so bad. Just a little bit of prep work before we get going, I guess. Makes cleanup easier when you're done. Otherwise, it's gonna be a real pain in the butt to clean. Well, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment, share. You all have a great day. Thanks for watching.